Yo guys, what's going on? Today is an abandoned mission. I have no clue where we're going yet. I'm meeting up with two of my friends here in about 30 minutes. We already tried to contact an owner of a school out in Shenandoah, PA, but unfortunately there's a film production going on there, so we aren't allowed to go. But we have a couple options, so we're going to find out where we're headed to. This is my first time on an adventure with my brand new XF 16-80 Fujifilm lens, so I'm really looking forward to this. So let's go on an adventure. Well, we couldn't really find a place that was abandoned to actually go to today, so we decided to check out the White Cliffs of Conoy. Me and Witzel, we both got our drones, so we're going to take some flights, see what we can see. All right, boys, we found the White Cliffs.
Oh, yeah.
All right, go. Yep. Oh, no, I lost it. That... Well, this place was definitely worth it. It's really cool, especially if you got a drone. Get some cool drone shots. What do you think about it, Witzel?
I'd say it's definitely worth checking out. It's definitely more of a bike trail, so if you have bikes, bring bikes.
It's only 1.5 miles, so it's still not that bad, but it's about 90 degrees with 60% humidity. We're feeling it.
Yeah, and I mean, I would say, what would you say, sunset, best time to come here?
Yeah, I'd definitely come back at sunset.
Maybe the fall when the foliage is a lot better looking, but
yeah, that'd be
it's
cool
definitely
too.
worth checking out.
Yep.
It's definitely worth checking out.
Thank you guys for coming along. Until next time, adventure on.
See ya.